How to remix Reels on Instagram. Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can remix Reels on Instagram. So first of all, open up the Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After opening the Instagram application, head over to the Discover section of your profile. You can access it by simply clicking on the magnifying icon at the bottom of your screen. Inside the Discover page, choose any of the reels that you would like to remix. Select the reel and then tap on the three dots icon at the bottom. After that, you can see there is a feature available called Remix. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will show you two options. You can either remix with original video or just remix after the original video. That's completely up to you. I will select the first one. After selecting the preferred option, Instagram will head over to the Reel section and ask you to record a reel. After recording a reel, you can edit your reel or simply add stuff to it. After you're done with your reel, tap on Next, then write a caption if you want, and then upload it. That's how you can remix Reels on Instagram. Thanks.